Welcome traders to today's video where we will discuss the successful habits that will contribute to successful day trading. Day trading requires discipline, focus, and a structured approach to trading the markets. You can improve your trading performance and also increase your chances of success. I have been trading for about 5 years now and I am currently day trading pound against the dollar, so I focus purely on day trading the Forex market. I trade this in both my personal live account and also with a prop firm, the 5%ers. If you don't know what a prop firm is, this is basically where you trade with a company and you take a split of profits that are made on the account. So I've actually been working with the 5%ers for some time now, but recently I've undergone their high stakes challenge and this is where I am trading their account size of $100,000. I have to respect the rules, so there is a 10% max drawdown on the account. I can't hit that, otherwise I blow up the account. But if I can manage my risk effectively and respect the rules as I have done so far, any profits that are made on the account, we take a split of. So it's 80% to the trader, for myself, and 20% for the 5%ers. Now this does change as they do scale up as you make more money on the account. And trading with a prop firm in this way is a great option if you are a trader who struggles with lack of capital. This might be a little bit more advanced for you if you are right at the beginning of your trading journey, if you're just learning the basics. But it is great for you to see that if you do struggle with lack of capital, if you don't have a lot of money to invest in this industry, you don't actually need it, because when you are ready, you can undertake a challenge with a prop firm like the 5%ers. And if you are successful, you could trade a higher capital size as well. So I have got a link in the description below for more information on that if you're interested. So as always, remember to like and subscribe to the channel below, and let's dive into the key habits for successful trading. Starting with a trading plan. One of the most important habits for day traders is to create a detailed trading plan. Outline your goals, your trading strategies, your edge, your risk management parameters, and your criteria for entering and exiting a trade. Your trading plan serves as a roadmap. It helps you to stay on track. It helps you to make consistent and objective decisions in a fast-paced trading environment, and it can be critical to help you to navigate through the murky waters of potential trading emotions and getting distracted in the markets. If you'd like some guidance on creating a trading plan, I do have a link in the description below where you can download a trading plan template for free to help get you started and show you what key factors should be included in your trading plan. The second good habit is to perform pre-market analysis. Before the market opens, it's crucial to conduct pre-market analysis. Review financial news, economic indicators, and company announcements if you are trading the stock market that may affect the movement of the asset that you trade. Identify potential trading opportunities and set up your watch list appropriately. Being prepared and informed will help you to make better trading decisions so that you can respond to the market rather than react to what it is doing. And tip number 3 is to set realistic expectations. Successful day traders understand the importance of setting realistic expectations. Don't expect to make substantial profits on every single trade or even every single day. Instead, focus your attention on consistency and risk management. Set achievable daily, weekly, and monthly goals that align with both your trading strategy and your risk tolerance. If you can focus on protecting capital, it will allow your capital to grow consistently and safely, rather than trying to force yourself to win, which can ultimately end very badly. Implementing proper risk management techniques is crucial for day traders. Determine your risk tolerance and set your maximum risk allowance per trade. Whether you prefer to operate in a currency such as pounds or dollars and you prefer to calculate how much money you were comfortable risking per trade, or whether you prefer to operate in percentages, which is what I prefer to do. So I will risk no more than 1% of my overall capital per trade. Remember to use a stop loss to limit any potential losers so that they don't get out of control, and employ position sizing techniques to ensure that each trade risk is within your predefined risk parameters. By managing risk effectively, you can protect your capital and increase your chances of long-term success. Trade to live for another day. My 5th point is a really important point and it can often be overlooked, and that is to maintain discipline. And discipline is a critical trait for successful day traders. Stick to your trading plan and follow your predefined rules for both entering and exiting a trade. Avoid impulsive or emotionally fueled decisions when it comes to trading, especially if they are based on fear or greed. Stay disciplined in your approach and don't deviate from your strategy, even during periods of extreme market volatility. Our next habit for successful day trading is continuous improvement and education. Day trading is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with market trends, with trading strategies, with new tools or indicators if you use indicators in your trading plan. Read trading books, attend any webinars, and connect with other traders so that you may exchange knowledge and help to support one another. Embrace a growth mindset and be open to adapting and growing with your approach to trading as you gain more experience. The seventh point, a point that I feel like I've been working on for quite a while now and I am getting better, is to practice patience. Patience really is a virtue in day trading. Not every day will present numerous trading opportunities, and it's essential to wait for those high quality setups that align perfectly with your trading plan, with your strategy, and with your edge. Avoid the temptation to force trades or to chase the market movements. Exercise patience and discipline in your trading approach, as A quality trades will often come to those who wait for them. Another great habit to consider if you've not done it already is to keep a trading journal. Maintaining a trading journal is a habit that can really benefit day traders. Record the data, record your trades, record your entry, your exit, your reasoning for the trade, and any observations or any lessons that you feel that you learnt from it so that you can look back on that data and you can learn from your experience. Also remember to record any emotional qualities that may present themselves during that trade, how you felt, how you reacted, whether it was a good reaction or whether you acted on emotions. Emotional trading and trading psychology really come into play, and journaling can help to highlight those points that you need to improve upon or be aware of. Analyze your trading journal periodically to identify any patterns, to identify any strengths or any weaknesses. Ultimately, look for areas of improvement. A trading journal helps you to track your progress and also to enhance your self-awareness as a trader. Now, as I mentioned before, day trading can heighten emotions. In fact, day trading can evoke some very strong emotions, such as fear and greed, which can impact your decision-making abilities. So it's crucial to develop some methods to help you to manage your emotions effectively, such as deep breathing exercises or meditation, mindfulness techniques, or simply taking a break when you feel that you are becoming overwhelmed. Not every approach to managing emotions will suit everybody, but there will be something that can help you to manage your emotions, whether it's something more active like going for a walk, getting outside into nature and getting some fresh air, or something more introspective such as deep breathing and meditation. Stay aware of your emotional state when you are making trading decisions, and make trading decisions that are based on logic and your trading plan rather than impulsive reactive decisions to your emotions. And finally, my last point, my last habit for successful day trading is to regularly review and evaluate. Reviewing and evaluating your trading performance on a regular basis is crucial for improvement. Now, this can include looking back over your trading journal that I mentioned before, analyzing any strengths, any weaknesses, any areas where you feel that you can refine your strategies. The key is to continuously learn from your experiences and to continuously allow yourself to grow and adjust your approach accordingly. By evaluating your performance, you can make data-driven decisions and enhance your trading skills over time. And that is where all those habits pretty much work together, because it takes continuous improvement, continuous evaluation, journaling. It takes a lot of discipline to maintain the consistency of this process and patience to see it through. And this is why trading isn't an easy path. It's not an overnight win, and it's not a way to make lots of money quickly. But it is a very successful path if you are able to adapt and maintain the mindset that is required and the persistence that you're going to need to see the journey through. These 10 habits that I've talked about in this video today can make a significant difference in your trading results. Incorporate them into your daily routine and practice practice them consistently. Remember that trading is a journey, and developing these habits takes time and effort. Remember to stay disciplined, manage your risk, and continuously learn and improve. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below. I have got some resources that are in the description below to my recommended software, my charting software, my brokers. So if you're looking for some more information and trading resources, do check them out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.